It's the new Betty Eyeshadow Palette from Eldridge. Look at it. It's so pretty. This palette was inspired by Lisa's cat, Betty, who is maybe the most beautiful cat I've ever seen. She's purple and silver and brown and a little blue. All these colors, basically. I mean, look at this cat. Is she not magnificent? And now I'm thinking, do I need a lilac British short hair? Bitch, I might. They're like a couple $1,000s though. I don't think I'm ready to do that. I'm more of a dog person, but I do like cats. Did you know that the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland is a British short hair? You know, I think I'm getting a little sidetracked. All of the colors in this palette are great one and dones, but I don't want to use just one. I want to use as many as I can before it starts to look like mud. I'm going to start with the skin tint. Just putting some on the back of my hand. This is a loud shirt. Before I use the palette, I'm going to start with a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Ione. Just a little dab. That is so nice and easy, and it's very kind to my aging eyelids. Just gonna give it a little blendy blend. And now the other eye. Blendy blend. Pretty. So I've played around with this a lot, and I think I'm gonna use these two colors. I'm gonna start with this minky shade, which is called Posh, and put that all over, just using my fingers. I want to add a pop of purple on this part of the lid, so I'm going to use Prima Donna, just using my pinky. I love it. Just for S's and G's, I'm going to put this gold shade underneath. Pretty. I want one more color from the palette, so I'm going to pop this Starlet shade here, just as an inner corner highlight. Next, the Kitten Lash Mascara in Burnt Umber. This is new. It's sort of a reddish brown, And I have to say, I really like it. This color looks very natural on me, and it doesn't smudge, and it doesn't kind of, you know how throughout the day sometimes you'll get the little raccoon eye thing? That doesn't happen with this. I have the lipstick here in this beautiful component that is refillable, actually. I'm going to apply this to my lips and my cheeks because I don't have a blush from Lisa Eldridge. And that's it.